What's happening, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So got myself a brand new toy right here. This is my, well, brand new to me. This is my 2021 Ram 2500 Cummings Turbo Diesel. Man, this truck, it was very sad for me to let go of Bruce, my 16 Ram 1500 Sport. That truck was awesome, and there was nothing wrong with it. Like, the truck only had 60,000 miles, and I've had it for 4 years, and I bought it when it had about 25,000 miles. So it's like, damn, it hurt, man. It really hurt. But what are you gonna do? You know what I mean? You got to move on. And the reason why I kind of moved on was because, you know what I mean, I'm towing in a much larger capacity now. So this truck is 370 horsepower, but it has 850 foot-pounds of torque at 2,000 RPM. It's literally like comparing, like, you know, regular horse to like a Clydesdale, you know what I'm saying? So that's the reason why. But obviously this came from a dealership, and you know how it is, more like a stealership. And it's unfortunate that you're the only one who's gonna take care of your car the right way. You know what I mean? Nobody's gonna take care of your car better than you, so to speak. And this is definitely one of the ways when they say, you know how they go like, oh yeah, we checked everything. They don't check shit. They don't check shit. And I'll show you how. I'll put up a picture on the side. I already took it out, tested it and everything like that. But today, I'm gonna be replacing the cabin filter. And I see that K&N makes one for this truck. And, you know what I mean, it's a lifetime cabin filter too. So you don't have to change it and stuff like that, like, you know, the regular stuff that they sell on Amazon. And by the way, I got this off of Amazon next day delivery. So guys, you guys don't understand, when your cabin filter is freaking dirty, your air quality inside the truck that you're recirculating is garbage. And also it can have horrible functions on your air conditioning as well. So an easy way to take this out, obviously you open your glove box. Once you open your glove box, take out whatever you need to take out of there, okay? And this right here, this tab, push it in, as well as here. You kind of, the keys are really easy to take this stuff out off. But you pretty much, you push the tabs in, well, or the sides in, and pull down, and it'll just hang down. Got this side. There we go. So now up there, that's where your cabin filter is. So you pinch this clip right here, pull, and pinch the other one on the other side. Take that out, and look at this. Ready? Let's go in a shade. Look at this thing. This is definitely, I'm pretty sure it's the original cabin filter. This thing has died since a long time ago. It's a damn shame too, you know what I mean? But what are you gonna do? All right, guys, in the box, you have your K&N filter right here, nice and wrapped for you. You have your sticker. This sticker, you could put that sticker right over there so nobody throws it out. And you have your diagram on how to take this portion off. You know what I mean? Has all your instructions on how to take it off. So, you know, and this piece with the string right here, this can literally pull forward, and you could take it off like so. You know what I mean? So other than that, look at it compared to the new one. It's pretty much, when you compare them, same size, okay? And obviously you have to pay attention to where the airflow is, and the airflow goes, see that arrow? It goes down. The air comes from the top, hits it. That's why it's so freaking dirty. So, you know what I mean? Let me see. Does the K&N have a sign in here? Let's see. Nope. So I guess you could pretty much, I guess, put this either way because it looks the same on both sides. All right, guys. Once you take it out the wrapper, you're gonna put it in there, and you gotta try to put it in at an angle because that's just how this is. Yep, there it goes. Fits perfectly. Yeah, definitely. I'm gonna take it back out. Yep. Make sure that fits good. It's perfect right in there. Just put this little piece back. It says airflow. Yep. Make sure both sides clip in. I know you probably can't see it that well because the sun is so damn bright, but pretty much that's the end product right there. Very, very simple. And it's in. And now, guys, put your damn glove box back and you're straight. First, I'm gonna stick the sticker and turn on this AC. All right, guys, we got the stickers on. All I got to do now is just close the glove box and we're good. All right, so this is perfect. Let me let that bad boy kick on real quick. Give it some time, then I'll hit the recirculate button. But guys, these filters are pretty cool, man. You know what I mean? They come with a freaking 10-year, million-mile limited warranty. You know what I mean? K&N, I've used K&N so many times in the past. The filter on my 18 STI is a K&N air filter. These things are electrostatically charged to capture particulates. You know what I mean? They grab on, hold on to dust particles, and it controls odors as well. You know what I mean? It helps freshen the odor within the car, within the cab, so to speak. It captures and will hold most, like, you know, mildew, funguses, spores, bacteria, you know, whatever types of germs, it'll help. That's the reason why it's so important that, you know, you keep this stuff, you keep on top of this stuff, you know, and change it. Woo! That feels and freaking smells good already. When I turned this car on, and I got this literally 2 days ago. Actually, yeah, it's actually been a day and a half since I've took possession of this truck. But when that air was coming out of there, now I'm gonna hit the recycle button or recirculate. You could smell, once you hit that recirculate button, you could smell the new cabin filter scent coming through here. It actually smells freaking great. Guys, no joke, this thing is freaking, it feels good, and it smells so damn good as well. So damn good. But it definitely feels like a big boost on the AC system. Really, really good. And that's what the cabin filter does. Helps filter the air that comes in to the cabin. You know what I mean? Depending on the filter you have, sometimes it can help for, you know, large amounts of dust or any type of odors and stuff like that. It all depends on the strength of the filter that you have, you know what I mean? But K&N, we both know, I'm sure, you know, you guys heard of it before. K&N is fantastic and they make good stuff. And that's really it, guys. Definitely like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. But I would highly recommend doing this on your car. This is literally one of the first easy modifications to do when you have a mileage, you know, a decent amount of mileage on a car. And K&N filters or cabin filters, they're replaced as needed. So periodically check it, especially if you do a lot of driving, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, guys, that's my time, and I'll talk to you all soon. Take it easy.